Port Stephens Council's vision is a great lifestyle and a treasured environment. So you really get that sense living in Port Stephens that it's the best community here for us to live into, but for visitors to come and see it as well. For us, it was really about looking at what do we need to do for the future for our community and continue with our focus of minimising waste. So what we're looking at doing is we're looking at our bin system, the curbside collection system, to see what the community actually wants in that space. We're also looking at how we can actually recover resources better, but the key thing for us too is also education. So education not only of our staff but also of the community of what is actual waste and what are the different processes that happen and how we as a community can all contribute to reducing the waste that goes to landfill. There have been a lot of changes over the last couple of years in the waste area, and although we think that we're doing really good and the feedback that we're getting from our community engagement surveys is that we are doing great in waste, we feel that we can always do better. So we want to hear from the community to see what it is that they feel is valuable in the waste management space and where we can actually contribute and support them in that area.